Alright, here we go. This is for you.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh no, Pily! Oh no!
Is it a submarine, kid?
It's sinking!
Is it Turtle King? Are you okay? Hey everyone, it's me, Pily! And guess what? We're gonna go on an adventure! Yeah, I'm with my good friend, Roman Atwood!
Hey, what's up, Pily? What's up, guys?
Hey Roman!
This is awesome. Dude, you came to the right spot. If you want to have fun, like some real adventure,
Yeah!
came to the right spot.
Yes!
Hey guys, I'm Roman Atwood. I love family adventure, and I love making you smile more. Pily, do you know what I love to do?
What?
I love to drive RC cars. Have you ever seen RC?
Those things right there?
Yeah. You want to drive one?
Yeah! Do you have to have a driver's license though?
You have to have a license to have fun.
Oh, I got one of those!
Let's go. Let's take one.
Yeah, let's do it! Oh my gosh! Alright, I put the GoPro right here so we can see it from the car. Have fun, car. Good luck.
Alright, Pily. This is an off-road truck.
Yeah, this is fun.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it goes really fast. I like it when you do the circles. Yeah, you look like donuts.
You know what I like doing?
What?
I like going big.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Bigger truck.
Bigger?
I got a bigger one.
Bigger? Yeah. Let's go.
Alright, Pily, so this is the truck we were just driving. Pretty fun, right?
Yeah, that was fun.
Now look at this truck.
Wow, that's a really big truck right there.
You want to take it out?
Yeah, please.
Let's go.
Let's go. You're so fast, truck. Wow, that truck was so fast. What do you think?
It's like a plane. It flies.
Yeah,
in
it was
the
like
air.
flying way high.
So it's a big, heavy truck, Pily.
Wow.
But what if I told you that this can ride on top of water? Yeah, I know.
I'm really excited.
You want to try it?
Yeah. Wait, there's the water. It's gonna go in. Whoa! Did you see that?
Pretty cool, right?
Wow, do it again. Do it again, please.
All right, let's do it again.
I can't believe that. The wind, the water like that. A little cold.
Here we go.
Whoa! Wow, truck, you're pretty good, truck.
The best.
Yeah, that's the best.
Cool, right?
Yeah, this is great.
All right, here we go. This one's for you.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh.
Oh no, Pily! Oh no!
Is it a submarine, kid?
It's sinking!
Is it Turtle King? Truck, are you okay? Wait a minute, Roman, is this a boat?
It's not a boat, but it did float.
I don't know. How does it do that?
Well, there's a big old motor. There's a big motor up under here, down here,
Oh, that's protected.
and then that pushes power to these drive shafts back here. It pushes all the wheels super fast.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it was really fast.
So when I push this trigger, the servo makes the drive shaft spin. And then same with the steering. When I turn, the servo turns the wheels.
Wow, that's amazing. But how does it float on the water like a boat?
The wheels go so fast, it can never sink.
What?
It's moving above the water.
These tires are like magic tires.
It's like, have you ever taken a flat rock and skipped it across the water?
Yeah.
With the momentum, the rock skips across.
Yeah, it goes like skip, skip, skip.
This is like a little skipper. These little cups in the tire grab the water, push it.
Wow, this is amazing. This is my favorite truck.
Mine too, buddy. Give me 5.
Yeah. Let's do that again. And again, and again, and again, and again. Hey kids, this is not a boat. No. And it's not floating on top of the water either. It's hydroplane.
I have one more surprise.
Oh my gosh.
Do you want to go even bigger than our last truck?
Yes!
Check this out.
Wow, what is this? Amazing! We can buy that?
Well, not this time, Pily. Not this next time. You're gonna come back.
Yeah.
I want you to come back. I need a reason for you to come back and see me.
Oh my gosh, you promise?
I promise next time you come over, we're riding there.
Yes! 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 Come on, everybody! We're out of here! I had a lot of fun going on an adventure with you! If you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Do you know how to spell my name? P-I-L-Y! Pily! Yeah! Good job! Alright, everybody! See you again real soon! Bye-bye!